It's been a tough year thus far for Bitcoin miners, but according to one Wall Street analyst on Wall Street by the name of Bernstein, he thinks things are about to turn around. Now, if you look at the monthly chart on Riot, you can see how price struggled in the middle of 2023 and earlier this year, kind of getting above and staying above this key level at $16. The major resistance level is further up at about $25, but we are getting ahead of ourselves. Going down to the weekly chart, we can see how price has gravitated back to this daily bias level at $9.25 and held not once but twice and a third time. Kind of odd that Bitcoin has been moving up and Riot has been flat. A lot of that has to do with the Bitcoin halving that's taking place today. And typically what we see is the Bitcoin miners lag going into the event, but then they move a lot higher afterwards. So this chart suggests it is now time to back up the dump truck. And what you can see is that it appears for the week we're going to close with a hammer type formation candle. And Riot is one of the best Bitcoin companies out there, Bitcoin mining companies out there, going into the halving and coming out of the halving. Now let's look at this article coming from Investor Place. So Riot Platforms stock was in the news earlier this week as Bernstein analyst had a lot of positive things to say about Bitcoin mining companies. A new research note from Bernstein claims that Bitcoin mining companies have fallen behind recently. That's despite the positive rallies for Bitcoin and growing number of spot ETFs. However, the Bitcoin halving is coming up later this week, and that could be a positive catalyst for the companies, Riot Platforms included. This will reduce reward rate for mining BTC. Now, while that may seem like a bad thing, several Bitcoin miners have expressed positive sentiment. That includes Riot Platforms, as it expects to weather the change just fine. Adding to that is BTC often experiencing rallies around the same time as the halving events. Now, all of this is to say that major Bitcoin mining companies are well prepared for the halving, while some BTC miners may suffer from reduced revenue. And we're going to actually see some of the big heavyweights buy some of the smaller heavyweights. Riot Platforms appears to be one of the companies that won't be too badly affected by the change. And yeah, so this is a level that I anticipate holding, and the timing is just right. You know, you have the Bitcoin halving taking place today. You have price selling at a discount, and the chart suggests to go long. Look for your first target coming at the $16 level. Next target coming at the 25 level. But based on previous bull cycles, price can go so much higher. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.